Now, both China and the U.S. are expected to feel the pain as trade tensions escalate, as most of the Chinese goods facing U.S. tariffs are electronic components. Analysts say the companies in the U.S. will have to pay more for these parts to make finished goods, and the extra costs will be passed on to U.S. customers. China's list includes agricultural products such as soybeans, seafood, and pork. It also covers vehicles and aquatic products. Now, analysts say that means some U.S. goods will be more expensive for Chinese consumers and businesses, and will also make China look to other countries like Brazil and EU nations for supplies. It hits U.S. farms and manufacturers who need to look elsewhere for buyers.